If you want to search for a song on OnePlus 15, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use circle to search. So in order to activate it, we need to press and hold our finger on this navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation, and if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold the home button. And after a second or so, you will open this layout, and we can tap over here on this music recognition icon. So we can tap over here, now our phone will listen to the background, and if there is any song played or if we sing a song, there is a chance that we will get a Google search result with the song title. And the second method is to go to quick settings, and over here we can press on this pen icon at the top and then the plus button on the left side. And over here you will be able to find the song search option, which we can add. So now we can just simply go to quick settings and use this button to also open the song recognition feature. So instead of using circle to search, it might be just more convenient to go through the quick settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.